Okay, so 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
The day open the tram bus enjoy.
Oh, sure.
But I said Joker bus.
You did?
Yeah. Right here. He's going round and round here. Then it opens doors.
That's right. So guys, this is
The
the tinyhk KMB ADL Enviro500 Hong Kong Tramway Library Bus. That's a long name for a bus. Okay, so we're gonna open it.
That's
Careful.
how you open it like that.
That's right. You need to be careful when opening stuff.
Oh.
Okay, pull. There you go.
Okay.
Just opening it. Oh, it's well packed. Yep. There you go. Oh. Yeah. It's covered with
Sticker.
it's a nice paper packaging. And there you go. Whoa, look at that.
Yes, show us the tram in it.
It's a KMB bus, JD.
And top in there is the roof. Let me
That's the
see
roof.
something. This is the.
That's the roof, heartbeat of the city. It says there on the top,
Let me
JD.
see.
Show me the front. Show me the front first.
This is the box of the.
That's nice. Ah, there's a big picture of a tram there, JD. You see it?
That's the picture.
That's right.
I
The
see
bottom.
the
Can you
front.
see the bottom?
I see the front.
Uh-huh.
The tram.
Okay, what
see
does
the-
it say at the back?
It's
It says it's 259. Can't read it. It's too small. So that's the bus. Awesome.
That is an old bus
Looks
as
so
well.
cool.
Like the old bus.
Yeah.
Which one you can open? Huh?
Show me, what do you see?
I see a HK 100 bus. HK 100 bus.
Yeah, that's right.
It's Hong Kong with a bus, Hong Kong library, like a tram. A dress like a bus.
That's right.
And a tram.
That's right.
That
Can you
is
show me
the-
the front?
Like, look at his mouth.
Oh, I can see your foot here in the video.
Then I see this bus, like through this bus. And it goes through it stops in the station. There's people going up and it goes through like go up on the bridge and it's going through the track here
That's
and
right.
through the track.
Excellent.
It's dressed like a bus and it's not in the it's not in the road.
Okay.
It's in the track.
Okay. Okay then. Thanks for watching. Bye. What's that? Subscribe to our channel, please.